You are going to that place. Okay. So you go there. Bye-bye. So people, still in Elmina. I'm celebrating with them the Bakatue Festival. It's proving that they are very resourceful when it comes to culture. It's all beautiful all the time to celebrate with the people. My true people, the real fancy people. This is our culture, this is who we are. My time, oh my chana. In fact, if we have a from here celebrating the real definition of true lifestyle, true culture. Well, Elmina, very shallow. Hey! Mommy says, so, my catch on them fan to full and brand flower. And when you want an argument, this is original potato from our fancy people. CW Radio.
We did town. It's okay. Buddy, I am teaching another police.
I am
also facilitated, so I should police are telling these guys. I say, you know how they do them? Sign into Rich Media House.
Elmina.
Yeah, Charlie. No. The man with the Paco and the Richie.
You know, see?
You get money passes, man.
Mr. Death Rush, what's a pink?
Now, you see, now I'm putting the camera to Range Rover.
Yeah.
Almost get straight.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.